how to transfer PaySafeCard to PayPal account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will teach you how you will be able to have your money in PaySafe be transferred into your PayPal wallet over here. Now, unfortunately, there is no direct way for you to be able to just transfer it into your PayPal account. So we would need to go through a different process. So the process that we will be doing is buying a PayPal gift card over here and then redeeming the PayPal gift card so that we will be able to receive it into our PayPal over here. So how do we do this? So simply go to PayPal or G2A over here, which is a partner. As you can see here below, you will be able to see that our PaySafe card actually works with G2A over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to purchase a certain amount of money over here in G2A using their PayPal gift card over here. And there will be instructions on how you will be able to redeem it. So basically, when you purchase a PayPal gift card in G2A, you will receive a 16-digit code in which you will just put in your email address over here in their rewardable.com, your PayPal email address, put it here, and then enter your code that you will receive upon purchasing a PayPal gift card. And when you're buying the PayPal gift card, you will be, of course, utilizing our PaySafeCard over here as your payment method. So you might need to add an additional $1 or so, as you can see, depending on how much you want to purchase. But that's the only way for you to be able to purchase or transfer a PaySafeCard to PayPal account as of now. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.